Hello, welcome to the video. In this video we'll show you how you can rotate video with the free software you can download from the internet. It's called OBS. In case you have like a vertical video you film with the camera and you try to rotate it, you look on the internet, there doesn't seem to be any program. You just search rotate video program free. It doesn't show any good ones. I mean, you can find probably a few, but this one I think it's the best option if you, for example, want to make a vertical video for YouTube. Sometimes you film like horizontal, but your phone saves it as a vertical video. No problem. I'm gonna show you now. So what you do this, you go to your scene section on this OBS and you can add some scenes. I did add scene 2 just before I started the video, so you can just go here on this plus like that and add scene and okay. I'm not gonna do that, but I made one and it's gonna make a blank scene. So that's the first step. Step number 2, add your video you want on this tab here. Okay, go to, where is media source? Media source, create new. Okay, so over here you can find your file that you wanna rotate. So you can see local file and restart playback when source become active. Check that on, that's why we made this second scene. Next, show nothing when playback ends. That's gonna make a blank screen. Don't do looping, so just use the checks that I have here. Speed 100% and this one I don't change that. Alright, so go browse and find the file you want to rotate. I do have a few videos here. Let's go with this one. I don't know, doesn't really matter. Alright, so and click on OK. So that will import this video. Alright, let me just mute it. Media source, mute it. I don't want sound to display right now. Alright, so as you can see it does play this video and it's on horizontal, but this will work also for vertical, horizontal, any orientation, because I want to show you how you rotate. So we're gonna rotate this, I don't know, counterclockwise for example. So how you do this? You click on the right mouse button and go here on transform and rotate 90 degrees CCW. That gonna do like that. So video is now vertical from horizontal to vertical. If you wanna change that, so what you do is transform and then CW or CCW. You can go like this and then gonna flip it. If you do other way, it's gonna be back on the same orientation. And if you go one more time with this CW and you're back with the same orientation. So align your video the way you want and then spread it to the whole screen. Just go like this to the edges. I'm not gonna cover my face, but you know what to do here. Just align it and full video, for example, like that. So let's see how do we record it. You can see on the bottom right corner it says recording. Over here it says stop recording, but if you want to record this, just click on start recording. And what you do is you go on scene 2. You go first on scene 2, start recording, and then you get back. I'm not gonna switch to scene 2 because it's a blank one. It's gonna mute me and everything. So you switch to scene 2, you get back to this one, and once this video is finished, it's gonna show blank. It's gonna show black screen, and you stop this recording. So what you do then is you go to file where this exploded and you can upload to YouTube. And on YouTube you can truncate video because that's embed option into YouTube, so you can use that to just remove those blank spaces. But if you do quickly, these videos would be, those black screens for a quick second will be no problem. So you don't have to edit anything if you do fast here. You can use hotkeys as well, that's another option. You go settings. Alright, there's hotkeys here. As you can see, I have streaming and recording, so you can put those. You can use these as I put here. it works well. If you use others, can mess your programs if you have something else open. And use this to start quickly and stop recording so you don't have any black screens. But there we go. That's easy method to rotate your video. Hope this helps and good luck. Bye.